Just a tiny snack. No one will notice. Ow! Milo! What are you doing?
Whoa, Milo! Your tail is out of control! Milo, maybe your tail needs a leash too.
I told you, Milo, your tail is trouble.
Need a paw, Milo? Maybe.
Milo, your tail may have a mind of its own, but at least we laughed.
Next time I'll try to control it, maybe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Toonbox adventures.